I'm supposed to get you to go and get your graduation hats just after, right now. You are teachers now, you have such a bright future, and you can do anything now. All of you can. I'm so privileged to have had Rob with us as your lecturer during the last 6 months. Thank you so much, Rob, for coming into the team, because that meant so much to me. Thank you very much. Congratulations, and I'm super proud of all of you.
It was really great to see some of the fresher teachers. Whether you become a teacher or change, that's cool, because the skills you'll learn along the way are very, very useful and adaptable. It's great. So much fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you.